Hello everybody, my name is Brian. I've been selling cars for 45 years. No bullshit, I'll tell you how it is, good, bad or otherwise. Let's have a look around this car. The 2001 VX Commodore, good tyres, alloy wheels as you can see, silver, tinted windows, automatic power steer, air conditioning. Recently been serviced, 198,000 kilometres. Obviously been a family car. That's birched on the back, by the way, it's good luck. There's no blemishes in the paint apart from that little bit there, or some petrol. And there's a little scratch you can hardly see along there. Apart from that, it drives perfect. Like I said, automatic power steer, air conditioning, CD player. The only part I've been driving the car, anything I found wrong on the freeway the other day, about 85,000 Ks. It needs a front wheel balance, which will cost you all $20 to $30. It's got one little dent here. Pretty clean motor. ABS brakes, of course. Now, the car is $3,950. It's licensed till May this year. My phone number is 0499 163 747. I'll be driving the car. Ring me direct. Thank you.